Have you ever wondered what it would be like to step foot on Mars? Imagine living and working in a simulated Martian landscape, facing the challenges of resource limitations, equipment failures, and communication delays. This is exactly what NASA has in mind with their next simulated one-year Mars surface mission, known as CHAPEA. As part of their ongoing efforts to gather data for future human exploration of Mars, NASA has announced this exciting endeavor. The mission will involve a small, four-person crew who will live and operate within a 1,700-square-foot 3D-printed habitat meticulously designed to mimic the Martian landscape, right here at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. The crew will experience life on Mars, dealing with environmental stressors and day-to-day challenges that a real Mars mission would present. All this with the aim to provide vital scientific data to validate systems and develop solutions for future missions to the Red Planet. This mission isn't just about simulation, it's about preparing humanity for the next giant leap. So, what exactly is CHAPEA and why should you care? Well, CHAPEA, which stands for Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog, is NASA's simulated one-year Mars surface mission. Picture this, a four-person crew living and working inside a 1,700-square-foot 3D-printed habitat at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. It's like a year-long Mars adventure right here on Earth. But don't be fooled, this is no walk in the park. The crew will face a myriad of challenges that simulate a real mission on Mars. Resource limitations, equipment failures, communication delays, and a whole array of environmental stressors. It's as close as it gets to the real deal without leaving our planet. Now, you might be wondering why NASA would go to such lengths. The answer lies in the invaluable scientific data that the CHAPEA missions provide. These ground-based simulations are instrumental in validating systems and developing solutions for the hurdles that future astronauts will face on Mars. Remember, every detail matters when planning a mission to an alien world. The food, the living quarters, the equipment, even the psychological dynamics of the crew. All these elements need to be tested and retested in an environment that mirrors the harshness and unpredictability of Mars. So, why should you care about CHAPEA? Because it's not just a mission, it's a stepping stone for mankind's journey to Mars, a journey that could redefine our place in the universe. CHAPEA isn't just a mission, it's a stepping stone for mankind's journey to Mars. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? But who can apply and how? Now let's dive into the application process for this thrilling venture. If you want to be part of NASA's next simulated one-year Mars surface mission, there are certain criteria you must meet. Firstly, you must be a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident. This is not just a casual commitment, so NASA is looking for individuals who are motivated and have a strong desire for adventure. Your health is also extremely important, as the mission will involve living and working in a simulated Mars habitat and facing various challenges. What about age? You should fall between the ages of 30 and 55. And yes, language matters too. You must be proficient in English to ensure smooth communication with the team and mission control. Now onto the educational requirements. Do you have a master's degree in a STEM field? Or perhaps you have relevant professional experience that could be beneficial for the mission. If you do, then you're a step closer to qualifying. Remember, the deadline for applications is April 2nd, so make sure you don't miss out. Compensation is also available for participants, making this not only an exciting opportunity, but a paid one too. So if you meet all these criteria and have a passion for space exploration, why not apply? This is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be part of something big, to contribute to the understanding of the Red Planet and help shape the future of space exploration. This is your chance to contribute to the future of space exploration. So, are you ready to pack your bags for Mars? In a nutshell, NASA is calling for participants for its upcoming simulated one-year Mars mission, CHAPEA. A four-person crew will be living and working in a replicated Mars habitat at NASA's Johnson Space Center, facing challenges such as resource limitations, equipment failures, communication delays, and other environmental stressors. It's all part of the grand plan to gather essential data for future human exploration of the Red Planet. If you're a healthy, motivated U.S. citizen or permanent resident, aged between 30 to 55, proficient in English, and have a master's degree in a STEM field or relevant professional experience, you might just be the right fit for this adventure. The deadline for applications is April 2nd, so don't delay. This mission is more than just a simulation. It's a stride towards understanding the complexities of a Mars mission and preparing humanity for the exciting possibility of setting foot on Martian soil. Remember, every small step on Earth is a leap towards our future on Mars. If you've made it this far, it's clear you're interested and excited about the future of space exploration. The journey to Mars starts here, on Earth, with people like you. Whether you're a potential candidate for CHAPEA or simply a space enthusiast, your support is crucial. So what can you do next? Engage with NASA's mission, share your thoughts, and spread the word. If you're considering applying, remember the deadline is fast approaching. Don't let this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity pass you by. And if you're here for the love of space exploration, remember, every like, every share, every discussion you have about space is a step towards making these missions a success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on NASA's missions. Together, we can make the dream of setting foot on Mars a reality.